Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to the viewers on onespotmedia.com. Brace for nightly water lockoffs. That's the warning this evening to residents in sections of the corporate area as the dry conditions worsen in some sections of the island. The forecast for the upcoming months is dismal for some parishes, with the Met Service predicting that the dry conditions could become more severe. We have more in this report. The drought conditions have been particularly bad in parishes like St. Elizabeth, St. Mary and Portland.
The devastating effects of the prolonged dry spell in full display all across the parish of St. Elizabeth. Empty water tanks, withered crops and thirsty livestock. Little rain accompanied by heat waves are things people living in the parish are familiar with, particularly farmers.
As you see it, the drought really rough right now.
I am hoping that rain will come soon.
No, the National Water Commission says the water problem is hitting the corporate area. The Commission is now warning people to brace for nightly water lockoffs in some sections of Kingston and St. Andrew. NWC Corporate Public Relations Manager Charles Buchanan says reduced intake due to the worsening dry spell has resulted in a major drop in the storage level at the Hermitage Dam, which serves a large part of the corporate area.
We have seen reduced inflows that have caused the storage level to fall now to just over 40% of the 393 million gallons capacity that facility is able to store.
He says the Commission will be implementing measures to manage the situation.
So among the activities that we have implemented are nightly restrictions as well as arrangements to remove some communities that would normally be served by that Hermitage Constant Spring Water Supply system to place them on other systems so that they are receiving water from other systems that are not presently being impacted by the drought conditions.
Manor Park, Constant Spring Gardens, communities of Constant Spring Road, Red Hills Road, Mannings Hill Road are being affected by the water restrictions.